Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin inaugurates 60-bedded state TB hospital at Kairao Wangkim of Imphal East today. Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar appeals not to spread hoax on mysterious predator attacks. Expert team captures some wild animals attacking domesticated fowls. Manipur joins the world in observing International Day of Disabled Persons 2018 on empowering persons with disabilities and ensuring inclusiveness and equality. And Awang Sikmai Protection Committee and Awang Sikmai Advanced Women Society jointly demand to release 3 kidnapped laborers of Sivalaya Constructions. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines in details. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin has inaugurated a 60-bedded state TB hospital at Kairao Wangkim of Imphal East District today. Manipur Police Housing Corporation MPHC constructed a hospital at an estimated cost of 8.74 crore rupees. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren asserted that the main deterrence to effective execution of developmental works is the practice of disturbing work programs among ministers and MLAs. He claimed that during the previous governments, MLAs and ministers used to claim any available work program irrespective of whether the work is suitable for effective execution at their area or not. He mentioned that underprivileged sections of the society are provided free health assistance under CMHT scheme, housing schemes, poor students are provided free education, etc. The Chief Minister also stressed on the need to change the pattern of imparting awareness on the prevention and treatment of tuberculosis. Biren asserted that controlling the disease is a collective responsibility of each and every member of the society. Expressing contentment that the present government is successfully governing the state for a year and a half, Chief Minister Biren appealed to make the state banned, blockade and general strike free in the coming years.
Ban rocket follow the music. Topiro no, but you guys are on Tarikaya no, trade union guy, CPI, CPM, Lady Modu Valley. By the prayer, somebody told us that a pumping army assembly whom pushes the me about to come on Drapa, you would about to happen on the number later, Pamago, the high general aside, Hamsit guy. More of you know. People see support like the when leaders are no. To meet the middle. Marine Legana Projari leader had a reported him over Porcara and assembly the Tomasigo and the Tomasibo. Not the Iran Sagasakatana general aside Nikrako, Ban Nikrako, Manipur's line of give Matakalara and labor.
Taking part in the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar mentioned that the Indian government has set a target to eradicate tuberculosis in India by 2025. He stated that a vision cannot be accomplished solely by doctors, nurses and the government without public contributions. Jayantakumar urged people to help in eradicating the disease as TB is easily curable. He also assured to provide adequate infrastructure in the hospital and other TB-related facilities. Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Kairao MLA Lauremba Brameshwar, MLA Satyabartha, MLA Dr. Rajand, MLA Surchandra and many resource persons attended the event.
India government ki policy amoina by 2025 si manungda India ki mafum singagi tongon jaga dagi TB habilena se botala se na habini panta momat thami mamang de le bhayum dagi TB gi nabugi TB lai dagi chart se yemba kana graph si yam kana hajik mari haidare but haidare ko se si khatana tienda mam de koi de time target la malai le nei kari by 2025 TV hai be se ma se lok thok ka do mani han hai ba ki podam le ni na koi ham na hon ri ba chang de gi amuki he na hon na bum chang.
The recent mysterious killings of domesticated livestock by some unidentified predator in various parts of hills and valley of the state have left a fear psychosis in the state. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Git Mitai and camera person Namai Rakpam Bisorjit.
The mysterious killings of domesticated livestock in the state, first reported in Chuzampo district in the last week of October, created apprehensions among the peoples. Ducks, chickens and piglets were mutilated in the wee hours and no one knows why and who did it. Fear psychosis has gripped people's mind, giving them second thought about venturing late in the evening.
Wakajide amana muhai aduna ichi amana muhai koi ju po yo mam jabong ka khang bajana te
mapan thokpa khotpa ka je ki dana dagi gari hana gari laktinga da ngai ram madu jo jiti gari laga thonga da ngai ra kan thoe
oi bhum saga na khidang koi ki mioi ba ki songlak ta ga di lebak si yam problem ma to ge dum aduna maram borga sok tingai kaimta to dingi marak sida as government gi side gi su angam ba sakti to biduna sigi problem se asuma boiro aran boiro
ayung nun je di ka na khandre do nungang gomba coaching ge ga chat pada sumisa da kem aki ba phaw bai ta.
Forest Minister and officials of the Forest Department are undertaking precautionary measures in the wake of the situation. They have appealed not to panic about to take precautionary measures like proper lighting of animal shelters to ward off the predator.
Forest Department task force siya makanda ay ba yen nganu ji thama ka tongana khoi thabak tawje hawure huji bawgi di we cannot say kaim na hangamde karamba sana hali bano masi kai torim na habadu sapsaba do khoi animal channel de expert oiba meeting na khoi karamba sana si mong da sai ge habado adu ma khoi si finding out tawri.
Despite all efforts, hunting spare continue and the predator still remains a mystery. Official of the Forest Department's Special Team Deputy Ranger T.S. Kiran intimated that the special team has inspected their site where the killing spear occurred and is earnestly putting effort to identify the predator.
Akhoi chaliba wafam sida lairamiba khong gi prince masi halami mo sidi sorakom loina manari masin atumba mana yamlu na halaga hulaga hatpase loina masi manari akhoi na fil busy sase report se akhoi joi senior officers in the koi hauji khuda ki khoina pause pijabane ba adagi tongan ba khoi scientist khara amasu mapalom taki su lai hauji su mu scientist ka khara amna su mai tiketana tawri ba.
Will the recent mysterious killing by an unknown predator harm the psychological well-being of the people of the state? With camera person Bisorjit, this is reporter Git Mitai from Impact News, Imphal.
Some wild animals have been captured in connection with the recent mysterious killings of domesticated livestock in the state. Briefing media, Forest and Environment Minister Thaunaujiam Shyam Kumar has appealed to abstain from spreading misleading information as scientists of the Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, are leaving no stone unturned to identify the predator. The minister lamented that deforestation by humans have destroyed the natural habitat of the wild animals which let them search their prey in the valley, stating that officials of the Forest Department along with scientists from Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, started their investigation since yesterday. The Forest Minister intimated that CCTV camera monitoring showed domesticated fowls being attacked by the wild dogs, civet cats and Felis bengalensis, locally known as Kaichenglang. He also mentioned that some of the wild animals were captured during the investigation. Minister Shyamkumar assured that measures are in place to trap the predators. He forbade people from killing wild animals, starting wildfire and spreading hoax, frightening children and women. The Forest Minister urged people to stop mob culture and warned of legal actions under Wildlife Act against those endangering wildlife.
Manipur Zamyam the Kihenba, Amipai Hanba, Masi Algi Mayokte, Masi Ali Mayokte Sapsana, Sarak Pigani. Label Huina, it to Libra, Natraga Quiki Kaying Lang and Toribra, Natra Quiki Jakelna, Toribra, have Sapsana Quay come to Oneva. She comes in the Quina, Eta Madugina, the Paxana, Isashu Miamda, Imaibe Miamda, Alaman Miamda, and the Kihenba to Doma, Quay Ample Tori, no minimums that people told you to take a bagano of Jaquina, Lang the Pabazi, Kaying Lang Masam Pare, Hui Sangame. She doesn't take a like the Busi. As a Kanamina, Shakima, Masa, Pipe and Pire. Adu kapai adu tawe nang sa sum tonga sa dopi dana Manipur pajamiam da majam simi tawbigan.
The Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur observed International Day of Persons with Disabilities today. The observance on the theme Empowering Persons with Disabilities and Ensuring Inclusiveness and Equality was held at Kumalampak, Kangshan. Chief guest of the event, Social Welfare Minister Nimcha Kibgin, urged disabled persons not to be disheartened and assured that the government will take up necessary measures for their welfare. She encouraged them by saying that everything is possible with efforts. Minister Nimcha Kibgin promised to consult the Chief Minister on the memorandum containing the demands submitted to her on the occasion. Entertainment performances by disabled persons mesmerized the audience in the event.
Fund to give disability or age pension 2015 dagi phangdebase isa maksad rega concerned minister union minister da pursue to bani hoji 6 month ge thatro ge or hoji disability gi pension se finance da jawrak rabani hek thorak phaga no koida dpt oina loina pithokani haibasu lautok sage.
Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur also observed International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2018 today. The 6th Winter Disabled Fair was also launched on the occasion. Chairman of Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajan, Vice President of NEITP Central Working Committee, Sapam Kunjikeshwar, Pradhan of Vijay Govinda Gram Panchayat, Pradeep Salam, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, and Amuko President, P.H. Deban attended the event held at Sagolban Tera Primary School. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman S. Rajan assured of welfare projects for persons with disability by the BJP-led government. He stated that Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited will ensure marketing of handicraft products made by disabled persons outside the state. He maintained that officials of the corporation will offer assistance in ensuring the quality of the products. Various handicraft products made by disabled persons displayed in the stalls of the fair attracted the visitors.
Disabled singsina shariba phi loina na moina crafts ki taujariba pot mayam singa se koi helum corporation na koi loksan na bagi damakta ai director amadi deputy director koi melas te yaw lakanda ai koi ki corporation na mapan da thadoi ba pot sing dugi design da hana na ba moi state ai kan hai na phonani disabled singse koi na handana kan bagi morta makoi bu yokhat piraga makoi gi pungning wakal chauktho laga makoi su ai koi gi samaj se da ai koi su mi moina hingbagi adugumba mamandu laihanna makoi bu koi na thauna happy dana makoi bu yokhat pase yamna darkar oi.
Handicapped Welfare Association Manipur State EIDPOK Top Chingtha joined Globe in observing World Disabled Day today. The observance was held at EIDPOK Top Chingtha Kutabi Ground in Andhra constituency. Speaking in the event, Forest and Environment Minister Thaunaucham Shyamkumar urged everyone not to discriminate disabled persons but to encourage them for leading a normal life. He also urged everyone to acknowledge and appreciate the fact that many disabled persons excelled in various fields and led successful life. On the other hand, Minister Shyam Kumar rebuked physically fit individuals who are destroying themselves by abusing intoxicants, stating that pensions provided to disabled persons under Chief Minister's Sotharabasingi Tengbang scheme reach beneficiaries in the Andhra constituency. The minister further assured to undertake welfare measures for them. Elected members of Tulihal Zilla Parishad, spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Mahila Morcha K. Inaucha, Pradhan of Topchingtha Gram Panchayat, Yumnam Tomba, and many people in the area attended the event. Handicapped Welfare Association presented winter blankets to disabled individuals on the occasion.
Mado pilon ba pisaba de kana do ngamna honara kan hingna ba punsi ji mauk leina hingna ba ta sa thai ba adu gi mangten ko ngasi kai khumnari ba adu ne koi Manipur sarkar ge honorable chief minister Sri N Biren su lai ba disable ku di maksi pencil tha amada lising sama sanga pi ne abdu khara kai di koi loin ba taw ba hore adu ngasa gi aya mana cover taw na ba koi khona ga ni pi su pi ga ni ba apam thamjari.
Thoubal District also joined in observing World Disabled Day. District Social Welfare Office, Thoubal and Regional Institute of Handicapped Persons, Yairipok jointly organized the event at the Office of Regional Institute of Handicapped Persons in Yairipok, Bhamon, Laikai. Felicitation of disabled persons and entertainment programs by the disabled persons marked the day. Representatives of various local organizations and people in the area attended the event. Tengnopal District Social Welfare Department also observed the International Day of Persons with Disabilities at the auditorium of Sinano Institute of Science, Maringfai Village. Gifts were presented to 300 disabled children, including visually impaired students of Mission Blind School, Tengnopal, on the occasion. District Social Welfare, Chandal District also observed World Disabled Day at Chandal District Mini Secretariat D Block today. ADC Chandal, KH Hari, Chandal DCPU Protection Officer, PH Devabrata, and Chandal District Social Welfare Officer L. Thankolun Kuki attended the event. Gifts were presented to disabled persons in the district on the occasion. Spastic Society of Manipur Kanchipur also observed International Day of Person with Disabilities on the theme Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities and Ensuring Inclusiveness and Equality. All Manipur Disabled and Handicapped Persons Development Agency also observed International Day of Disabled Persons 2018 at Awang Kongnangkong Community Hall in Chinga Makha Khitri, Laikai today. Singjamai Kendra Disabled Person Pension Scheme was launched and pensions were distributed to the beneficiaries on the occasion. Speaking in the event, OC Imphal City Police and Ingocha assured of safeguarding the rights of disabled and physically challenged persons. Ingocha also urged people not to engage in mob culture but to report incident of the crimes to the police.
Itu tuangga apa sigi mauda, Allah berbisingna nasi padali erga, apa zaman nasagi kaya itu, hasil dapat terpilih erga, masa suhun terbiasa, kita parah kalau saya sundaram biro, koi silajar dia erga, polis tu bau berga polis laga, pasarnya apa malam sana, mai posting cuma lokal erga, yes lokal ga, macam tu orang ini kriminal tu, matu malam sana, macam sana. Lebak sida chana lebak ai je sigi bokina wa project to ngamani commission people ngamani.
Mission Blind School Haikakpokpi joined in observing World Disabled Day today. Speaking on the occasion, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam urged fellow MLAs of the 60 constituencies to initiate schemes and policies for disabled persons. He also appealed to the public to give love and respect to differently abled persons. He equated looking down on differently abled persons as looking down on the society. Karam Shyam assured that government will always stand for the welfare of differently abled persons. The minister donated 50,000 rupees to the school on the occasion. SP Kakching District Victoria Yengkhom also attended the event.
Aikoi Manipur da lairiba praja singna su lambi lamghang da adi kaigumba thengna bakanda makhoibu with regard moigi mateng pangning magi wakhalon laigadabane ishorna pirakpa masagi talent singse han tawba kanda aikoi kitang advance hoina lairiba voluntary organization oibe social organization oibe sumba schooling khat piriba takpi tambiriba oja sing oibe guide to se moibu mateng pang budene ba khoi da darkar oise aduna madu phajana mateng panga ishorna pithoreba mating do phudon badune ai any level gi bit udabayai na pangbay na kong pangbay khong yadabayai ai gi hakchang satpangam dabayai tawrim sung aina athaba wakhalon ma matam supada miyoiba samaj gi damta khallaga leiragadi shorna matam supada ai gi tungda lepakane ai mantri oire ai lengak padi yaure hairaga aina miyoiba samaj gi ai phanaba khanba ngamdragadi madugi value laite darkar oidi aikoi miyam gi damta aikoi ni hingmadune adugi sem wakhalondo nuida so dumak leiba tai
Irate local staged a sit-in at Thangmaiban Improvement Club today condemning the gunshots targeted at the residence of 3rd IRB Subedar Sorokhaibam Sarachandra in Thangmaiban Yumnam Leikai last night. Members of local Mairapaibi Association and Thangmaiban Improvement Club organized a protest meet. Various placards condemning the incident were used during the sit-in. Family members intimated that the incident occurred around 11:30 p.m. The incident left 2 bullet marks at the house gate. One bullet passed through the gate, hitting a pillar and then his parked car. CCTV footage shows 2 unidentified individuals in a 2-wheeler carrying out the misdeeds.
Ngarang ikhang khangau dana numidangi pung 12 minute kolom tarakpasida Sorokhaibam Sarachandra kauba Thangmaiban Yumnam Leikai da laiba jigi mayungi geta nongmai raul anira kapchalamba adagi yungi car manungda garage da khamba car da su nongmai panbagi dakpham leiba adaida masi akoina kari marangi no kanana kapamibano karigino si athuba matamda jainau jingna magi marana karino moina pambana karino habja athuba matamda sengtokpa pame madugi dama akoi ngachigi dana ji chinjaban.
Yairipok police in a press release informed that a dead body of an infant was recovered along Yairipok Charangpat Road near Yairipok Canal yesterday around 10:51 a.m. The body is kept at Janim's morgue in Porompat will be disposed of on December 5 if no claims are met until then. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a 5-day special national training on advancement in seed testing for NEH region launched at ICAR Complex, Lumphil. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Manipur Center has launched a 5-day special national training on advancement of seed testing for NEH region at ICAR Complex in Lumphil today. Speaking on the occasion, Rajya Sabha MP Ketrimayum Bhabananda lamented that farmers in the state practice cropping just once a year, leaving their fields wasted after post-harvest. Reminding that Manipur is blessed with fertile soil and optimal weather conditions, Bhabananda encouraged farmers of the state to practice multiple cropping with innovation to generate revenue from the agricultural sector. He stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi envisioned to increase farmers' income by 2022 out of concerns at the declining rate of contribution from the agriculture sector in the GDP of India from 54% during 1950-51 to just 14% at present. Bhabananda appealed to scientists for taking a major role in realizing the vision and also urged farmers to utilize high-yielding variety seeds to enhance agricultural production.
Our country suffers from poverty and population. To meet this gap, we have to do a lot of things in the field of agriculture. This land is decreasing every day. Our production has to increase. We can produce seeds which can exceed the production by 15%. So when land is decreasing, we have to find means and ways where we can, our production has to increase. So this kind of things that we have to think of.
Center for Microfinance and Livelihood Propulsion and Support Services (LPS) has organized a craft-based entrepreneurial program for Kauna artisans at Hotel Classic Grand Imphal today. The event was jointly organized by Tata Trust, Export-Import Bank of India and Odes. Speaking in the event, CEO of LPSS Sudeep Sankar stated that demand for Kauna craft items are increasing in south and central India, and hence LPSS targets to establish market linkage and branding of the products for enhancing income of the artisans by 23%. Businessmen and Kauna artisans attended the event.
The areas where we have tried to emphasize and empower that it should not be a conventional training center or maybe conventional training. So we have done a design workshop, product development, sales and marketing, branding, packaging and quality assurance.
Awang Sekmai Protection Committee and Awang Sekmai Advanced Women's Society jointly demanded release of the 3 laborers of Sivalia Construction Company Private Limited kidnapped by unknown armed miscreants at Awang Sekmai, Khairakpan, Kusong on November 29th. They also appealed Kuki civil organizations to help finding the kidnapped persons. Speaking to media at the worksite of the company at Awang Sekmai, Khairakpan, Kusong today, President of Awang Sekmai Committee Angom Rajesh intimated that 6 armed individuals speaking in Kuki dialect kidnapped 3 laborers around 9:30 p.m. on November 29th at gunpoint. He also mentioned that no demands were placed upon the company and no clarification about the kidnapping has been made till date. Rajesh urged relevant authority to take necessary measures and locate the 3 kidnapped laborers without further delay.
Makoina nampuda pugiba mobile phone sing adugi manungda Sekmai Protection Committee gi organizing secretary gi mobile phone ama yaukhi. Hairiba phone asida Sekmai Protection Committee gi maruoiba document kaya amasu yaugre. Hairiba phone ado athuba matamda handoklaktaba taragadi thon hingdaba thodok kaya tholokpa yai. Phajin khriba mioi sing adu athuba matamda thadok pirakpaga loinana pubi ki ba mobile phone sing adu athuba matamda handok piraknaba Mari Lena Basinda Hajari. Akoina appeal Taujari Basida, Karigumada Tausabi the Batarbadi, Akoi Atuba Matamda, Kungang Asigi Weba, Miang Loinana, Akoi Akalba Kunjang, Tarana Singba, Pangtok Jargani, Makoibo, Kananabagitamakta, Akoi Angambatata, Akoi Honajargani.
Students' Union of Kanglei Park SUK in a press release intimated that SUK Imphal West District Committee was formed on December 2nd with the induction of 34 students as executive members. MLA Govindas Konthojam lambasted the BJP government for failing to include even a single government-aided women college in the recent upgrading of aided colleges into full-fledged government colleges, all the while shouting Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao slogan. He was speaking during a counseling program for metric appearing students organized by All Brother Club ABC at Ningthaukhong today. ABC conducts K. Gojendro Memorial Unique Free Revision course for Class 10 students appearing BOSIM's Class 10 examination every year. Govindas maintained that the government would have upgraded the aided college if it wanted to do so long ago. Andhra constituency is getting 4 new primary schools catering from nursery to class 5. MLA of Andhra, cum Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaucham Shyamkumar has assured that 2 crore rupees be set aside for local area development fund to be utilized as salary for teachers of the soon to be established primary schools. The MLA was speaking in the inaugural of a new office of Andhra Laupachum Welfare Youth Club at Laupachum in Andhra constituency today. Minister Shyam Kumar expressed concerns that Andhra constituency lags in education sector as compared to other constituencies. He is sure of promoting world-class education facility in the constituency next year. He also stressed the responsibility of local clubs in bringing development and urged Andhra Laupauchum Welfare Club to promote education and undertake developmental activities to make Laupauchum one of the best places in the state. Village head of Sana Pokpa Chakpa Andhra Maihobirol Pana Loishing CH Gunadhar, Andhra Municipal Council Chairperson Y Sajauba Kuman and local residents attended the event.
Kasturba Gandhi Balika was class 10 standard upgrade. Government India approved up to class 12. Ahamada 10 Baugi Tiku Yarabane. Club Asita Apun Leka Sapata Bahana Bada Warrior Globum. Leka Siki Apapa Patapatolopada Warren Pum. Leka Siki Apapaka Tongi Aduma Center Makalabani. And the club Sequina Chumnaka Pandong, the Yunga Tamagi Nati Maduna. Sapsana Club Amkalapum Topa Education da Tabak Subada Skin Development da Amadi Akoi Biki surrounding book Yingjan Bada Asobuda Itaman Logo the club Sabane.
Manipuri Short Story Society Indian Cultural Forum Manipur in a press release expressed grief on the sudden demise of renowned writer Ilangbam Dinamani. Late Ilangbam Dinamani was a former General Secretary of Cultural Forum Manipur and founder of President of Manipuri Short Story Society, India. A revised edition of Hareshwar Goswami's History of the People of Manipur was released for the second time at Books and Coffee in Yumna, Laikai today. HOD of the Physics Department, Manipur University, Ngangkham Nimai, UCM General Secretary Kuraiza Mathoba, and journalist Richard Ranjan presided the event. Social scientist Dhanabir Laishram reviewed the book in the event. The book was first released at Delhi University on November 25th. Local organizations have warned of intense agitations if Charang to Yairipok inter-village road in Thoubal district is not repaired by December 10th. Addressing media at Charangpat, Mamang Laikai, Chekthong Lampak yesterday, representatives of Charangpat Welfare Board, RYDO, SWYC and WWA expressed discontentment that the road has been unattended for the past 15 years despite repeated pleas. Integrated Youth Development Organization in a press release warned to ban operation of auto rickshaw services along Changamdabi route Yairipok to Nungai Pokpi via Yambem and Yairipok Bazaar to Ningthaukhong by December 5th against unnecessary hike of auto rickshaw fare. Large amount of liquor seized during a series of joint drives in Thoubal district by Thoubal District Police and Excise Station Thoubal were destroyed by setting on fire yesterday. Liquor including red wine, country liquor and hamai, an ingredient used in making country liquor worth around 16,000 rupees, were set ablaze in front of Thoubal Police Station in the presence of Deputy Superintendent of Thoubal Excise Office TH Priyo Kumar, OC L Dino Kumar, personnel of Thoubal Police Station and staffs of Excise Station Thoubal. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biruen inaugurates 60-bedded state TB hospital at Kairao Wangkhem of Imphal East today. Forest Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar appeals not to spread hoax on mysterious predator attacks. Expert team captures some wild animals attacking domesticated fowls. Manipur joins the world in observing International Day of Disabled Persons 2018 on empowering persons with disabilities and ensuring inclusiveness and equality. And Awang Sekmai Protection Committee and Awang Sekmai Advanced Women's Society jointly demand to release 3 kidnapped laborers of Sivalia Construction.